What we have here is a 1974 Webber's Cove Downeast 34-footer. That's basically all that's a 1974. In 2010 or so, she was converted to a private yacht, or the conversion started. In 2015 till now, she has been upgraded and redone. Her current owner basically took her down to the bare bones. She has a mahogany interior in her salon. The engine is a Caterpillar 210 horsepower 3160 natural. It was removed from the boat, all new pistons, sleeves, full rebuild. Her interior, her galley, refrigeration, microwave, stove, oven, none of it has ever been used. She has an electric head that has never been used, and the shower and the rest of the head is needing to be finished. Her V-berths forward are large twin size berths, and again, the walls need to be covered and refinished. Her cockpit has recently been repainted, is in the last 3 months. She has a large swim platform. She has a davit on her hardtop. She has all new Lowrance chart plotters and head units. She has an autopilot. Her owner built the boat to be a personal dive boat. Circumstances has now changed and he has moved away. Her salon is empty. Basically, you have the walls and the carpet. There's nothing in there. The whole floor comes out to access all the mechanical spaces. Give John a call at 843-249-6167. Berry-Boger Yacht Sales.